Apple's highly anticipated hardware event in September 2023 is just a few months away. When Apple comes to its most coveted future item, the extra expensive iPhone 15 Ultra, there is little to nothing left to the imagination. Given the number of software and hardware news and announcements to chew over in the coming weeks, WWDC 23 certainly provided something to talk about, but Apple's bread and butter remains the iPhone. For sure, the iPhone lineup remains. It is one of the most anticipated gadgets for 2023. While practically everything regarding the impending iPhone 15 Ultra seems to be known, there is still a chance that it will be dubbed the iPhone 15 Ultra. It's more rational to believe that Apple will stick to its current naming pattern and offer us an iPhone 15 Pro Max instead. Regardless of what it's called, the next large iPhone is shaping up to be a beast. While it may be easy to believe that the iPhone 15 series would be priced similarly to the iPhone 14, genuine rumors suggest that Apple may charge up to $100 extra for both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro. This might happen in many storage versions. This is the first big price shift for the iPhone Pro Max series, which has historically begun at $1,000. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's true flagship in terms of camera technology. Previously, the 6.1-inch iPhone Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone Pro Max models mostly shared the same camera setup, with the same hardware-software features and delivered similar image quality, but this may change with the iPhone 15 series. According to the newest rumors, only the iPhone 15 Pro Max will include a periscope camera with up to 5 or 6x optical zoom, up from the 3x optical zoom camera seen on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. According to rumors, a telephoto camera with lossless optical zoom may be deployed. The LG Initech camera module was announced months ago but has yet to be used in a phone. We haven't heard any concrete rumors indicating that the iPhone 15 Ultra's native storage capacity would be increased, unless we hear otherwise. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.